Alright, now let's take a bread and cut it from the center like so. Pop it out. There. Okay, keep this on the side. We're going to use this. Take a non-stick pan, heat it well, add some butter over it. Just grease it well. Now place the spread over it. Break an egg. There. Perfect. Now reduce the flame and cook it for a while on one side. Sprinkle some salt, pepper, spread some butter on the sides, and of course at the center. Now turn the other side. There. Wonderful. Cook it in a very slow flame till the egg is cooked well and nice and becomes harsh brown on the other side as well. About the center, apply some butter. Some more butter on the top. Turn the other side, it becomes harsh brown as well. Looks like our egg is cooked well and nice. We can now switch off the flame. Before that, let's check how much is it cooked on the other side. Very well enough. Wonderful. Alright, let us now switch off the flame and take them in a serving plate. Now into a serving dish. Sprinkle some grated cheese over the top. There. Serve it with tomato sauce. There you have it. Yummy breakfast egg and bread is now ready to be served.